Assalamualaikum. It's me, Mohammad Rafael Rana. How are you? I hope all of you are doing great. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty. So, it's been 3 days and I'm here again with a brand new topic. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you about a topic. The name of the topic is spending evening time. So I hope all of you can see right behind of me there is a laptop and I wrote some questions there. So I'm just going to explain all these three questions. So let's get started. So the first question is, what do you do usually? What do you usually do in the evening? Well, as I'm a student as well as a school teacher, I spend a very busy day. In the evening, I get some free time. In the evening, I would like to spend my free time with my family members, especially with my nephews. Most of the evening time, I spend my free time with my lovely friends. So the second question is, do you prefer to spend your evenings alone or with your friends? Definitely, I prefer spending my time with my friends than spending time alone at home. If I spend time alone at home, sometimes I feel so bored. So generally, I spend and hang out with my friends in the evening. So the third question is, what kinds of foods do you usually eat in the evenings? Well, it totally depends on the situation, and if I spend my evening time with my family members, I generally eat noodles or pasta with hot sauce, sometimes a cup of tea in the evening as my evening snacks. On the other hand, when I spend my free time with my friends and hang out with my friends, we would like to go to any restaurant, and we generally order some fast foods such as pizza, burger, and chicken masala, I can say. So overall, in the evening, I spend a joyful moment with my friends or my family members. So this is how I spend my evening time. I hope all of you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.